Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing fine. Please stay safe. This is a general reading for 6 July 2021. It may or may not resonate with every single person who watches it. Please take whatever resonates with you. I will check out the cards from the tarot deck and close it off with an oracle reading. So let's begin. Please tell and guide us for 6 July 2021, my dear tarot, my love team. So let's see what we have for you. So this is the spread. So let's begin. Okay, so the first card is the Hanged Man in the reverse. Then there's the Empress in the reverse. Excuse me. Nine of Wands in the reverse. The Devil in the reverse. And the Seven of Swords is also in the reverse. Alright, so what I get from your reading is that today someone might be feeling stuck up with the Hanged Man here, or they would want to let go of some kind of toxicity in your life. And as we see the Devil here in the reversed, because you want growth in your life. These are the three major arcanas we've got: the Hanged Man, the Empress, and the Devil. So you want some sort of growth in your life, and because of that, definitely some sort of you might be facing some sort of deception or some sort of cheating. So because of which there are trust issues. Someone might feel cheated, or someone is rather cheating somebody. It could be you, it could be a person who really wants to get rid of this kind of devil energy here, because this is a toxic relationship. If it's a relationship, it's a toxic relationship. It's a workplace. There are a lot of difficulties in the workplace. You are not actually growing with this kind of relationship or with this kind of atmosphere. You want to let go of this kind of atmosphere, because there are trust issues involved with the Seven of Swords here. So now let's clarify with the oracle deck. You have to be careful today, and please see that you don't get duped by anyone, because you want to see yourself growing, which you feel let down because of the trust issues. So now let's see what we have for your oracle deck. The High Priest. Okay, so the High Priest, which suggests that you intend and create. So if you want to grow, your intention should be strong and clear, and then only you can create. Then there is a possibility of creativity in your life. Because of this devil, you should come out of this devil energy out here. So because of this, you have certain trust issues, okay, and you have learned lot of lessons also because of all this. So you don't want to get all this repeated in your life. So the message for you is that you should be able to clearly see for whatever the things are, and you should your intentions, someone whose intentions are doubtful, so please take care that intentions are clear, and then only you can move towards growth. Thank you for tuning in, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.